Have you ever wondered how your phone unlocks with your face or how Netflix knows exactly what shows you'll love? The answer is artificial intelligence, or AI. But what is AI really? Let's dive in and demystify this groundbreaking technology. Body. In simple terms, AI is the ability of machines to mimic human intelligence. This includes tasks like problem-solving, learning, reasoning, understanding language, and even recognizing objects. Narrow AI versus general AI. There are two main types of AI. Narrow AI, like the voice assistant on your phone, is designed to excel at specific tasks. General AI, on the other hand, would possess human-level intelligence across various domains. We're not quite there yet, but it's a fascinating goal. Machine learning. The heart of AI is machine learning, the ability of machines to learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. This is how AI systems get smarter over time. Real-world examples. AI is already all around us. It powers search engines, recommendation systems, fraud detection, medical diagnosis, and so much more. AI is a rapidly evolving field with the potential to revolutionize every aspect of our lives. In this series, we'll explore the history, applications, and future of AI. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive into the fascinating history of artificial intelligence. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more AI tutorials and insights. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to learn about next.